Hi guys, right now we are in Gunuang Padang and we're gonna see how incredible this place. Let's go with me.
Gunuang Padang is a cool place to visit in Padang. You can buy an entrance ticket for 10,000 rupiah at this gate. It has all historical things mixed with the nature and pretty ocean views, making it a popular spot for many visitors. This area is home to truffle monkeys and other animal species. Many people also come to fish.
Challenge.
Reaching the top at 80 meters above the sea level involves a climbing a series of steps is perfect for those who enjoy a bit of exercise. You can also visit the grave of Siti Nurbaya, a famous lady with an interesting love story.
So we are in the grave, Siti Nurbaya's grave. There, you can look here. Yes, that one. Right.
From the top, you can see lots of people having a picnics and enjoying the beautiful view of Padang City. It feels different up here, eating or just relaxing and looking down, make you feel like you're getting away from the city for a little while.
Gunung Padang, Rancamana.
The sun was completely down, and we heard the Quran being read. Means that was a time to go back home.
Look at that, guys. That's so beautiful. Masjid Al Hakim Mosque. Wow.
The sparkling lights made our quick trip feel wonderful.
See you in the next video and bye bye.